Hello students, welcome to the part 6 of chapter 10 circles. Students, till now we have covered total 6 theorems and 3 exercises. Okay, the 6th theorem, okay, all the results I am going to tell you that what are the 6 results that we have studied. The first result what we have studied, that if there is a circle, okay, if there is a circle and 2 equal chords are there, okay, so we have studied that equal chords subtend equal angles at the center, means the angle subtended by this chord and the angle subtended by this chord, if the chords are equal, then the angle subtended by them will also be equal. It was the first theorem that we have studied. Second theorem what we have studied, that if there is a circle and in this circle if 2 chords are there and from the center the angle subtended by these 2 chords are equal, means this time it is said that if the angles are equal then the chords are equal. It is the converse of theorem first. Okay, this time we have said that if the chords are equal then the angles will be equal. In the second theorem what we have said that if the angles are equal then the chords will be equal. The third theorem that we have studied is what? The third theorem we have studied that from the center, okay, if a perpendicular is drawn on the chord, from the center, if a perpendicular is drawn on the chord, then this chord will be bisected. Suppose it is AB, then the point where it intersects this chord is the midpoint. Okay, so we have studied the statement that if the perpendicular to a chord from the center is bisect the chord. Okay, fourth theorem we have studied, it is the converse of theorem third. And fourth theorem is from a center, if a line is drawn such that the chord is bisected, okay, this time it is said that the chord is bisected. So you have to prove that this line is perpendicular upon this chord. Okay, it is the converse of the third theorem. This was the fourth result that we have studied. Fifth result what we have studied, we have studied that equal chords, okay, the chords which are equidistant, see what we have studied, that if 2 chords are equal, then they are equidistant from the center. Okay, equal chords are equidistant from the center. This result we have studied in theorem 5. Okay, and in theorem 6, see, theorem 5 is removed from your syllabus. So basically this was the theorem 6. Okay, this was the theorem 6 that we have studied. And what was the theorem 7? The 6th result that we have studied, it is 7th theorem. Okay, and it is the converse of the 5th. And it is what, that if 2 chords are equidistant from the center, okay, means this distance is equal to this distance, then the chord will be equal. Okay, so total 6 results till now we have studied, and we have solved 3 exercises, exercises 10.1, 10.2 and 10.3. So today students we are going to see the questions of exercise 10.4. Okay, that is why I have revised you whatever the results we are having till now. Okay, now coming to exercise 10.4. Now students, keep your Ncert book with you. Okay, because I am not going to write all the questions on the board, so just keep your books with you. Okay, so the first question of exercise 10.4 is what? 2 circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the common chord. Okay. So students, here it is said that there is a 2 circle. Okay. 2 circles are there. 2 circles are there which intersect each other at 2 points. Okay, the one is P and suppose it is Q. Okay, radius of the first circle is 5 centimeter. It is said that it is 5, and the radius of the second circle is 3 centimeter. Okay, and the distance between the centers, it is said that suppose the center of the first circle is O, center of the second circle is O dash. Okay, so it is given that O dash is equal to 4 centimeter, and we have to find the length of the common chord, means we have to find PQ. Okay, what else is given? It is given that the radius of the first circle means OP is 5 centimeter and PO, or you can say O dash, is 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is given and we have to find PQ. So how will we solve it, students? Let us see. Firstly we'll write that what is given here. Okay, so as we can see from the figure that OP is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, and O dash P is equal to 3 centimeter. O dash is given 4 centimeter, and we have to find PQ. Okay, we have to find PQ. Suppose, students, this point is denoted by M. Okay, students, it is given that O dash means the distance between the centers is 4 centimeter. So if we suppose let OM is equal to X centimeter, then students, O dash M will be what? O dash M will be what? See, this distance we are supposing it as X. So this distance will be 4 minus X, because the total distance is 4 centimeter. Okay, so that distance will be 4 minus X centimeter. Students, in the question 3rd of exercise 10.3, what we have proved? We have proved one result, that if 2 circles intersect each other at 2 points, then the line joining the centers will bisect their common chord. Okay, what we have studied, one more time I am repeating my words. See, if 2 circles intersect each other at 2 points, then the line joining the centers will be perpendicular bisector of the common chord. Okay, so here we will write that we know that OO dash is perpendicular to the PQ and OO dash bisects PQ. Okay, this result we are having from the question 3rd of exercise 10.3. So here we can use it directly. Okay. Now students, let us see in triangle. Okay, in triangles OPM. In triangle OPM. Okay, let us see in triangle OPM. So students, you can see that this angle will be 90 degree. Okay, if we are saying that OO dash is perpendicular to PQ, then that angle will be 90 PM square. How we can say? By Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we have studied Pythagoras theorem that in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So this result we can write. Now OP is what? It is 5. So we can write 5 square. OM is what? OM we have supposed as x. Okay, so it is x square. And PM is what? We don't know the value of PM, so we can write it PM square. So here we can find the PM square value, and it will be, see, this x square will be shifted, so it will be 25 minus x square. The value of PM square is 25 minus x square. Suppose it is equation number 1. Okay. Now students, in triangle PO dash M, PO dash M. Again students, from Pythagoras theorem what you can do, you can write that O dash P square is equal to PM square plus O dash M square. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem we can write it. O dash P is what? It is 3, so it will be 3 square. PM, we don't know the value of PM. And O dash M. The students, we have supposed this OM as x, then O dash M will be 4 minus x whole square. Okay. So again we have to find the value of PM square, and it is 3 square is 9. Okay. And then this minus 4 minus x whole square. Okay students, so see what we can write. PM square is equal to 9 minus, we have to solve it. Okay, and when we will solve okay, suppose it is only equation number 2. Suppose this is your equation number 2. Now students, you can see that in equation first and in equation second, both are the values of PM. Okay, PM square. So students, what you can do, you can write that from equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, from equation 1 and equation 2, what you can write, both are the values of PM square. Means the left hand sides of the both of the equations are equal. So their right hand side should also be equal. So you will equate it as 25 minus x square is equal to 9 minus, the right hand side of the second equation is 9 minus 4 minus x whole square. Okay. Now we have to solve it. So here you can write 25 minus x square is equal to 9 minus, just the square of 4 minus x will be what? A minus b whole square. So a square will be 16 plus b square will be x square minus 2a. So it will be minus 8x. Okay. Now students, just simplify it. What we will get after simplifying it? We will get 25 minus x square is equal to, just open the bracket, then you will get 9 minus 16. Okay, and 9 minus 16 will be what? Minus 7. Then minus x square and then plus 8x. Okay. Now you can see that minus x square and minus x square will be cancelled out. So here only minus 7 is left, and when you will shift it, it will be, okay, when you will shift it, so it will be minus 7, then shift it, so it will be plus, so 25 plus 7 it will be 32, and here in the left hand side it is 8x. Okay, in the left hand side it is 8x. So from here students, you can find the value of x, and that value is x is equal to 4. Okay. So if x is equal to 4 students, means the value of OM is 4. Okay. So here the value of OM is what? 4. And the value of MO dash. Value of MO dash will be what? 4 minus x means 4 minus 4, that is 0. Okay. So students, this figure, now we are having the values of x. Okay. X, we are having the values of OM and MO dash. Okay. So according to that, the value of OM is 4 and the value of MO dash is 0. Okay. Means this figure is not proper. Okay. After knowing the values, we can say that this figure is not proper. Then what kind of figure will be there? We will see. But firstly, let us find the value of PQ and then I will tell you that what will be the correct figure for this question. Okay. How we can judge that this figure is correct or not? Okay. Before knowing the values, we cannot do it. But after knowing the value, we can judge that this figure is not proper. Okay. So students, firstly, let us try to find the value of PQ. Okay. If we find the value of PM, then we will guess that what will be the value of PQ. Okay. So how will we find the value of PM? So we will write in triangle POM. Again, we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem, and that theorem is PO square is equal to OM square plus PM square. Okay, so PO square means it is 5 square. Okay, OM square, OM, now we are having the value of OM, that is 4 square plus PM square. So 5 square, this 4 square will be shifted. So 5 square is 25 minus 4 square is 16. So what will be the value of PM square? It is 9 PM square. So PM will be what? So the value of PM, it will be, PM square is 9. So the value of PM will be 3 centimeter because 9 is the square root of 3. Okay. So if we are having the value of PM as 3 centimeter, then we know that PQ is equal to, I have told you here that OO dash bisects PQ. Okay, bisects PQ means this distance PM and this distance MQ are equal. Okay, so we can write PQ is equal to 2 into PM means 6 centimeter. Okay, 2 into 3, that is 6 centimeter. So here this is our answer, that the length of PQ, the length of the common chord is 6 centimeter. Now students, according to the values, what will be the correct figure? Okay, let us see. Students, according to the values, this figure is correct. Okay, see, here is the circle of radius 5 centimeter and this is the circle of radius 3 centimeter. Students, how we can say, see, the value of PQ we are getting 6 centimeter. Okay, and it is double of the radius of the second circle. Means we can say that this PQ is 6 centimeter. Okay, and the radius of this circle is 3 centimeter. Then this PQ will be the diameter of the circle. Means this O dash lies on this line. Okay, so according to that, students, this figure is correct. The center of the first circle is O and the radius of the first circle is 5 centimeter. The center of the second circle is O dash. Okay, and this point in that figure we have supposed that this point is M also. Okay, so according to that, this is also the point M. Okay, and the value of PQ is coming 6 centimeters. Means the diameter of this circle is also 6 centimeters. So students, this is the correct figure. Now you can pause the video and note it down. Coming to the second question, students. Second question is, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segments of one chord are equal to the corresponding segment of the other chord. Okay, means it is said, students, that in a circle, okay, it is said that in a circle. Okay, suppose it is a circle. Okay, and in this circle, two chords are there. Suppose this chord is AB and this chord is CD. Okay, and both are intersecting each other at point M. Okay, and it is also said that the length of the chords are equal. Okay, suppose here it is the center O. So we have to show that the corresponding segments of the chord means AM, the larger, see it is the larger part, so AM will be equal to the larger part means MB, okay, and CM will be equal to MB. Okay, this we have to show. So how will we show it, students? Let us see. Firstly, we write that what is given in the question. Okay, so it is said that a circle C O comma R, okay, in which two equal chords that is AB is equal to CD, okay, intersect each other at M. Okay, this is given in the question that there is a circle. In this circle, two chords which are equal in length intersect each other within the circle. Okay, and we have suppose that it intersect at point M. Okay, so what we have to show, what we have to prove, we have to prove that the segments of the chords AM will be equal to MD and CM will be equal to MD. Okay, this we have to show. Now, students, to show it, we have to do some construction here. And what construction we will do? See, I am going to draw, students, draw OP perpendicular to the chord AB and OQ perpendicular to the chord CD. Okay. See, students, here I am going to draw a perpendicular on this chord AB. Okay. So this will be, suppose this is the perpendicular, and on the chord CD I am going to draw a perpendicular. Okay. Suppose it is P and it is Q. Okay. And also join OM. Okay. Just join this point OM. So what I have done, students, on this chord I have drawn a perpendicular from the center, and on this chord also I have drawn a perpendicular from the center. Okay. Now, students, remember the result. If a perpendicular is drawn on the chord of a circle, then chord will be bisected. This result I have told you. We have proved this result also. Okay. So if OP is perpendicular to AB, it means AB will be bisected. If OQ is perpendicular to CD, it means CD will be bisected by this perpendicular. Okay. So, students, in the proof part, what we will write? In the proof part, we will write that if OP is perpendicular to AB, it will imply that AB is equal to PB. Okay. And if OQ is perpendicular to CD, it means that CQ will be equal to QD. So we are having these results, that AP is equal to PE and CQ is equal to QD. Now students, let us see in the triangle, in triangles OPM and OQM. Okay, in these two triangles, students, you can see that here it is right angle, here it is hypotenuse, which is common, and we know that equal chords are equidistant from the center. Okay, so we can prove these two triangles by RHS. We can prove these two triangles congruent by RHS criteria. Okay, so firstly we write RHS angle, means angle P is equal to angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Hypotenuse is what? OM is equal to ON. Okay, and side is what? OP is equal to OQ, because we know that here we will write that it is common, and here we will write that equal chords equidistant. We have studied this theorem that chords which are equal, okay, are equidistant from the center. So students, by RHS we can say that triangle OPN is congruent to triangle OQN. So if these two triangles are congruent, if triangle OPN is congruent to triangle OQM, okay students, so we can say that the distance PM by CP, we can say that the distance PM is equal to the distance QM. Okay, the distance PM is equal to the distance QM. See students, suppose it is equation number 2, okay, and here it is said that AB is equal to CD. Okay, given that AB is equal to CD. Okay, suppose it is first and it is second. Okay, now students, what you do, just subtract from equation second minus equation first. Okay, so if we subtract, see what, if we subtract AB minus PM, okay, or you can say students, here you just multiply half of AB is equal to half of CD. See what we can do. In the question it is given that AB is equal to CD. It is said then half of AB will be equal to half of CD also. Okay, half of AB will be equal to half of CD. Half of AB we can write AM, half of AB we can write AB. Okay, see the total chord is AB, and half means it will bisect by point P. Okay, so half of AB we can write as AB, and half of CD we can write as QD. Okay, we can write it now. Now suppose it is equation number 2. It is equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. Now adding first and second. Okay, what you will get? You will get PM plus AB, PM plus AB is equal to QM plus QD. Qn plus Qd. Okay. Now Pm plus Ap, what will be, students? Pm plus Ap, it will be Am. And Qm plus Qd, what it will be, students? Qm plus Qd, it will be Md. So it is the first result that we have to prove, that Am is equal to Md. Okay, this is the first result that we have to show, that Am is equal to Md. Now we have to show, see this result we have shown, Am is equal to Md. Now we have to show that Cm is equal to Md. So for that, students, what we can do? See, half of AB we have written here AB, and half of CD we have written here QD. Okay, so from 2, see, half of AB it is equal to AB. So at the place of AB we can write PD also. Okay, from 2 we can get PB, and QD is equal to CQ is also there, so we can get CQ also. Now students, what you do? You just suppose it is equation number 3, and what you should do? You should subtract equation number 1 from equation number 3. Okay, here I am going to write, just subtract equation 1 from 3. So what you will get, students? Equation 3 is what? PV is equal to CQ, and equation 1 is what? PM is equal to QM. So when you will subtract it, what you will get? You will get PB minus PM is equal to CQ minus QM. Okay. So in figure, students, you can see that if you will subtract PB minus PM, then what you will get? You will get MB. Okay, you will get MB. And CQ minus QM means here, from CQ, if you are subtracting this QM, then what you will get? You will get CM. Okay, so here you will get CM. So this is the result. This is the second result that we have to show. Okay, students. So this is the whole solution of question number 2. Okay, of exercise 10.4. Now you can pause the video and note it down. Students, this is how we can solve the questions of exercise 10.4. Okay, 2 questions today we have solved. Okay, the questions are very long time. Okay, that is why it has taken time. So the rest of the questions we will do in the next part of the video. Okay, till then, students, you should revise whatever you have studied in this part or in the previous parts of the video. Okay, students, thank you.